Clear, prop. Here comes the run-up. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly from the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're going to be installing a new canopy seal this morning. So we thought we'd give you a chance to watch us use a roll-lock and remove all the old sealant off the bow. And then we'll be prepping the new seal and putting it in place. So stand by while we have a little bit of fun here. Okay, I've brought the seats all the way forward. Gives me a nice stable platform to stand back here and work on. And as luck would have it, we're out of roll-lock pads. Okay, and after removing all the old glue, all the yellow's gone, we're down to bright metal. We come back and we wipe it down with alcohol and a clean cloth. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean the canopy seal itself, take all the talc off so the talc would want to stick. So stand by. So now we want to remove all the talc. And as you can see, it's like a light gray. The rubber itself is actually a very dark gray. So we take, again, a clean cloth. I like using old socks because of the nap. It wicks in a lot of alcohol, holds a lot of debris. It's kind of like an old man's cheap version of a microfiber cloth. We just come back. The whole trick is to get the tack off. And it'll take several cleanings to get all the tack off, the talc off the material. And you got to take the talcum off, because if you don't, it's not going to stick. The glue will adhere to the talc, and then the talc just falls right off the rubber. So 2 full cleanings on either side. That looks pretty clean, but just to be jiggled, because we want these to stay on the airplane for quite a while, so we don't want them coming off. So that takes care of that tip. Fold it in. Okay, now it's all clean. Now we want to find the right one for glue. So this is the wiper edge. It's got the little bevel on it. This is the flat, so we're going to be gluing to this flat side right back here, all along this one ridge. Now we've already cleaned the metal on the canopy, so we're good there. Let me go break open this bottle with a pair of pliers. And for sealant, we're using the Weldwood contact cement. It's available in both small little bottles at your hobby store or from Home Depot. You can also get it in the quart cans. We get quart cans and small bottles. Whatever's on sale. And then it's just a matter, and we'll come back and remove all of that. Now we just paint the entire seal. Okay, that takes care. Okay, now I've got all the glue on. The glue's going to tack up for just another minute. I'm letting it go an extra minute or so because we are in a cool hanger. I'm going to throw the bottle away. Okay, now we're ready for the install. The tools we'll need: a pair of scissors and a razor knife. Put those on the wing of the airplane and let's get the seal. Okay, a couple of tricks to this is we're not going to cut this piece out initially. We're going to come back and get that in a minute. We want to get the bulk of it on. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little trimming cut. And then when you go to put it on, you just touch it. Don't stretch it because it will break the glue bond. So just come back along and just touch it. And we're following around to get it right on the edge. And then we notice something. I'm going to pull it back off and re-glue it because we put the glue on the wrong side of the strip. Stand by. Okay, now once more with feeling, we went and got another seal because, believe it or not, we put the glue on the wiper side, not the other side, so we're going to have to let it harden, remove it, and then we'll use that seal on another airplane. But yeah, it really behooves you to take your time and watch what you're doing because it's so easy to mess these up, as many people have found when they followed the videos and gone to look at their airplane. So once it's tacked up, it does not take long. We're just trimming this little piece right here. There. And then again, you don't want to pull and stretch it, but you do want it to be firm. You don't want to pull and stretch because what's happened is the rubber, the adhesion within the rubber, the cohesion within the rubber is stronger than the adhesion of the glue. So now we just come along, hooking it up to the airplane, making it right at the top of the canopy. So it's a nice even line right there. Cuts. So just like we did over here, we need to trim it and notch it. So we've got to go for the length first. Okay, now after you have it all in place, then we come back with our thumbs and just give it a good push. And now we let the sealant cure. So the only other thing we have to do is we have to trim up here where the latch assembly is. You find the edge of the you find the edge of the latch. And I cut half of this, halfway up. And then we come back and we cut right here on the aluminum. And now our latch assembly is all exposed. So now all our latch parts should work. So before we call the canopy seal complete, we want to make sure we haven't affected anything in the locking. Canopy still locks. And that is a new canopy seal properly installed. So again, it's contact cement, a tack-up time, cleaning the materials, getting the talc off of this, and then be sure that the wiper side is downward and forward. You just saw us do one backwards. So this completes a canopy seal. So it's not hard to do, and these canopy seals will last 30 years properly maintained. If they start to stick to the double bead seal, take some baby powder and put some talc back on here. But we hope you found this useful and informative. We'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Thanks for watching.